Hi, I'm Matt Heaton, CEO and founder of Translation Business Systems Japan, the developers of customized leveraged AI. Today, in a few minutes, I'll explain why professional translators using customized leveraged AI can deliver high quality work at much lower cost, 45% cheaper than major IR firms and 28% cheaper than the industry average, and also much faster than the industry average, often about 70% faster. I'll also include a 30-second demo of the user interface. Here's what makes translation time-consuming and expensive. Every company has its own language, like product and brand names, department names and job titles, slogans, dozens of writing rules that must be followed very carefully, and hundreds, if not thousands, of standard terms that must be translated correctly. As well as natural and accurate translation, translators and editors must ensure work meets all the requirements specific to each client. This is slow, manual work, and generic AI does not help. Customized, leveraged AI solves this problem. Our professional translators work closely with our AI technology team to customize AI engines for each client. Let's take a look at the interface in action and also compare the results with generic AI. The user interface is simple and looks something like Google Translate or DeepL, but with one key difference. Here you have two drop-down menus, one for the domain and one for the company that you're translating for. Make the selections you need and then press Translate. Using the customized AI engine you selected, the document is now being read, translated, and now being edited using the terms and writing style that is correct for both the type of document and the company. Putting the same text into a generic AI translation tool, we can compare the difference. As we can see, there are a lot of changes, but how many of these are in fact necessary? Firstly, generic AI has not translated proper nouns, brand names, and standard terms correctly. The client's preferred writing style has not been followed. These two sentences are mistakes. The report is written by ABC Securities, but the generic AI has written about ABC Securities itself in the third person, resulting in nonsensical sentences. In these sentences, the subject is unclear or omitted completely. It's hard to know who's saying what. And finally, the writing style is often wrong for the type of report. And here's everything together. As you can see, there's a lot of work to do here. However, almost all this manual work can be eliminated. Writing style, terms, and language use correct for both the work type and the client can be automated. The customized leveraged AI output leaves little more work than a routine check for the translator or editor. This automation really maximizes efficiency. Translator productivity can go from the industry average of around 2,000 words per day to more like 10,000 words per day, significantly cutting time and cost. Customized leveraged AI is also far more accurate than generic AI. The more you try to use AI as a general purpose tool, the more mistakes you get. But highly customized AI used on the tasks it is trained for is extremely accurate. We recorded the checking results of 4,000 sentences translated using customized leveraged AI, including translations from paid work, and found one objective error, an accuracy level of 99.97%. So to start, what's required? We'll need reference materials such as glossaries of terms you want us to use, style guides for writing, etc. We'll have questions, but the more information you can give us, the better we can customize your AI engine. And then we'll need about 1 week for the AI training itself. And finally, your internal team can also use customized leveraged AI. The rate is 3 yen per character. You'll access your customized AI engine through a secure browser that also has a usage report so you can track your costs, and there's no setup fee. And if you're using customized leveraged AI internally, you can still come to us for editing and checking. This means your team can translate quickly and at low cost internally, but have the assurance of external professional checking if you don't have those resources yourself. The cost of this service is 6 to 9 yen per character, depending on the checking tasks you require. Thank you for listening. Here's how to contact us.